Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well and eating good. So today is another what I eat in a day, and we're just starting with breakfast here, just 2 boiled eggs and some oats that I also get from Prozzies. You can get yours using my discount code. I just, boil this, let it come to a boil, make sure it's nice and soft. I think everyone has a way to make their oats, so I'm not going to show you that. And then I add a little bit of maple syrup. I realized I don't need this. I just wanted a bit of some sweet. So a little bit of maple syrup, and then chia seeds, which I also get from Prozzies. Guys, they have a huge range of nuts and seeds that you can add to your cereals, your grain, your whatever. It's amazing. Yeah, this is what I add, and I have this breakfast pretty much every day, and it's really good. I eat it with my boiled egg whites. I leave a little bit of yolk in there for creaminess, and that's it really. So after breakfast, I do go to the gym. Yes, girl, getting it in. I'm trying to, switch up my lifestyle a bit. And for lunch, I decided to have some salmon. It's so easy. I don't even think it's worth sharing a recipe for. I just drizzle some olive oil on there with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Don't ask why there's so much Scotch bonnet there. I had a job to do. And then I bake in the oven at 200 degrees. While that's baking, I cook my fine beans, and I have it with mushrooms, and it's so easy. It looks something like this. Doesn't take any time at all, but it tastes amazing. And here are what the green beans look like. I just cooked this in a bit of water, and then sauteed it with loads of black pepper and garlic powder. So good. Then I actually didn't eat my lunch first. I served it, but I had it with a bit of hummus. But then I was also trying out a new protein powder by Prozzies, because I'm working out and just trying to get more protein in, less carbs. I'm trying new things, and I thought it'd be cool to get this one. So I don't actually look at macros and stuff too strictly. I'm starting to, but this one is apparently zero diet whey, and it's just high protein, low carb. I'm gonna blend in some hemp seeds, Prozzies oat flakes, and my favorite peanut butter, which is a crunchy cinnamon. All of these products are from Prozzies website, and you can use my discount code foodwithdom to get 10% off, guys. I also add some soy milk. Sorry about the fish skin in the background, but yeah, blend that together and bottoms up. Delicious. No, seriously guys, it tastes so good. I can taste the cinnamon, the nuts, and the vanilla. Guys, go to Prozzies and get you your, it's really good. I think this will be like my go-to shake now. And it's perfect sweetness. Thumbnail. So for lunch, I then went for a tuna wrap. Really simple, to be honest. Just get a can of tuna, and I also put some sweet corn. That's from Aldi, I think. And some iceberg lettuce. I'm also just having it with some orange juicy. Okay, so in the tuna, I then add some black pepper. I don't bother putting any salt because I think it has enough salt. I do all of this by eye. It's tuna mayo, guys. I don't know. I'm just showing you guys what I eat because I think this is kind of fun now. So yeah, just mix that around, make sure everything's nice and combined. And then I'm going to move on to the wrap. I just warmed it in the microwave for like 15 seconds just to get it nice and flexible. And then I'm going to put on some of the iceberg lettuce. I could have just bought lettuce and cut it, but I actually don't have an answer as to why I didn't just cut it myself. And then I put a nice, healthy, generous dollop of tuna. And now it's time to wrap. I feel like a lot of people don't know. Sorry, I also had some cucumbers. But yeah, I feel like a lot of people don't know how to wrap a wrap properly, if you know what I mean. So what you want to do is put it in on the sides, pull it in on both sides, and tuck the bottom in. The filling should always be like towards the end. And you just want to roll and tuck, like literally tuck the sides, tuck the top, and tuck all the filling in. Even if some falls out, it's fine. Just tuck it in. It will go in. And you just want to tuck it as like tight as you can and keep rolling. And there you have it, guys. A rolled wrap thingy. I just cut it in half, and that is my dinner. And that's actually all I had that day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please like this video, share, and subscribe. Bye.